Okay, I want to introduce you our new item, rust remover. You know, there are many rust remover in the market, but one guy need to take a time, 1 hour, 2 hour, and more. The other guy need to scrub by brush. But our rust remover, no need to scrub, and you can get quick results. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is a rust screw, and put on the dish, and it's very simple and easy to use. Okay, you only drop and wait several seconds. Okay, but not only used for the last screw, but also used for the last plate. Okay, now I drop. You can see color is turning purple. Purple means now removing the lasting. Okay, and pH is neutral, not alcoholic, not acid. So no problem to touch the skin. Okay, no problem. But must not drink and must not drink. Okay. Okay, now time has come. I'm gonna wipe the paper. Okay. Please see. Just remove. Shine again. Okay. Okay, screw also time has come. Once I wash by the fresh water. Okay. Now you can see last it was gone. This is our rust remover from Vampire Tools. It's a new product. Thank you so much.